Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I got another radio from Jeff. Jeff loans me his radios to do reviews on my shows from his collection. This is a nice little compact radio. Now, this radio was manufactured by NEC in Japan, Japanese company. And you would think Japanese companies' radios, they would be transistor. This is a 5-tube radio. Yes, it has 5 tubes in it. It was built in the late 1960s, early 1970s. Jeff found it at a thrift shop, paid $5 for it. Pristine condition, no scratches or nothing. It even has the schematic on the bottom, which I'll show you in a few minutes. He took it to Florida Radio Doctor and had it serviced, so it's like brand new. Plays very well. I just AM only.
Toronto. You're staying at a hotel.
Lots of volume.
You don't have at your
We are getting a little interference, probably from my computer monitor. My computer monitor puts out a lot of RF noise. Okay, we can't play music. So let me zoom in a little bit. And on the bottom here there's the schematic. And the schematic looks like brand new. It's not distorted or faded or anything. Here's the back of the radio. AC, of course. And it gets kind of warm. Right here, there must be a fairly large, maybe a rectifier tube or something. That's kind of warm right there. So that's about it. That's all I can say about it. Again, it's works great. He said that it worked fine when he got it, and he just had the doctor check it out. The radio doctor check it out. That's it. Again, thanks Jeff for bringing me these radios. I've been saving the best of this batch for last. I have a newer Grundig shortwave radio. I have a very, very unique old radio, 1920s TRRS radio. And I've got to get hold of my friend Scotty, who rebuilds those radios, and he knows a lot about them because I know absolutely nothing. So I still got to do that. I've been meaning to do that, and maybe even do a hangout with him, or at least let him tell me what it is, what vintage, and all that stuff. That's about it. Have a great day. Bye-bye.